check out this Krispy Kreme hack. You can get 6 glazers, stack them on top of each other. Whoa, don't fall. Pick it up. Crush them. Cheers. Gotta save the middle for the last bite. Crush them. You asked me to do it with 12, so we're doing it with 12. All right, here's the tricky part. Trying to stack 12 donuts. I did the math. It is 2,400 calories for 12 of these donuts. All I could see was the 24 grams of protein, to be honest with you. It's pretty much like a protein shake. And oh my gosh. And there was an army of you asking for 18, so here we are now. So we're just gonna start stacking, and hopefully this doesn't fall over. But I did the calculations. This is, oh goodness, 3,600 calories. As you guys know, all I could see was the 36 grams of protein. Nikocado avocado who? Oh my goodness, are we gonna go out of frame? No, no. We need a new strategy here. We are doing 2 stacks of 9. And let's see, please stay up. Guys, this is harder than I thought. Stay. Oh, I don't see Sam Sulik doing these tricep push downs. Now stack them. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's almost a pizza. Oh, cheers. One bite of this could be like 2 donuts. Guys, I don't know about this one. Don't expect another one after this. Now stack them. Cheers. I have no idea why I listen to you guys, but here we are with 24 donuts. Let's just start, okay? We have to stack all 24 of these. I have no idea why I'm doing this. I'm still in a little bit of recovery from doing 18 the last month, but 4,800 calories. I just should not do the math at this point. Okay, we're just gonna do 12 here, crush them, do the other 12. First 12. Now on to the second. You already know, 48 grams of protein. That's like 2 protein shakes. Second one going down. People ask me what my workout is. It's just push downs. Everyone in the comments section is saying the next Nikocado avocado. I don't know what that means, but the guy's a beauty, so. Second 12 on top. That's 24. 24 donuts. Oh, look at those layers. Holy crap. Oh.
This is gonna be my last attempt at this because I don't even know if this is possible for me to finish. Oh. Oh. I can't even like open my mouth to bite. It just is so sore. And my mouth is raw. Oh, goodness. Okay.